Oh, baby Brodge! Oh, look what we got! Bonfire night! Bonfire night! Enjoy the fireworks. Hey! Oh? Why not watch the fireworks with us? Just take a day off from looking after your kids. Oh, okay. Why don't we start with the pistol firework? That makes a huge explosion. Okay, sure, we could start with that. What? They're starting the fireworks already? How is that possible? They got to wait until it's night time. Yeah, they do. Say, what you got over there, Brodge? Oh, this one. Oh, I had this a long time ago. That was a firework. A Pikachu firework. But baby Brodge, I just don't see any string on Pikachu. There must be a button somewhere. That activates the fireworks. Maybe on his tail. I don't see anything happening. Ah! Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh no! Oh no, guys! Take the fireworks! We better get cover! Is everyone alright? Yeah, we're fine, baby Brodge. I can't believe it. I did not expect that. Neither did me. Or me. I mean me. But how's it going? Beautiful. Boy, that sure was an amazing show. Yeah, it sure was. Okay, where should we start? We got to wait until it's night time, baby Brodge. Yeah, okay.